ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹೋಗಲು ಭಯ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು Mongolia. Gerbil. Mongolia. What time? Yeah, see. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು. See, he got curious. He got curious in your hands.
ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ?
So he is figuring out the surroundings.
ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ.
Orange color. Because they don't have any external report you want.
ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು?
ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊತೀಯ ಹೇಳು? ಯಾವ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು? ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ದಿ ಪೆಟ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ. ಇದಿರೋದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕನಕಪುರ ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಸೋಮನಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಶುಲ್ಕ ಇದೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 400 ರೂಪೀಸ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಅನ್ವಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ 5:30ರವರೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಬಹುದು. ವರ್ಷದ 365 ದಿನಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಫೈ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ವೈಫೈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಝೂ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲಾದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಶ್ರೇಯಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 700ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು 40 ಬಗೆಯ ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು.
I'm going to start with a small introduction and some general guidelines. Our mission is very simple here. We want to reconnect people, especially the kids, with nature through our sanctuary and our domesticated animals.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿತ ಟೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಅವಧಿ ಸುಮಾರು 1.5 ರಿಂದ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವೇಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಮುಟ್ಟಬಹುದು, ಆಹಾರ ನೀಡಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
Mongolia.
Gerbil. They are from Mongolia. Gerbils are also found in India.
ತಗೋ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೋ.
ಬಾ ನಾನು.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Support the hands. Support the hands. Yeah, see.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು.
See, he got curious. He got curious in your hands.
ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ?
So he is figuring out the surroundings.
ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟರ್ನ್.
ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಕಳೆಯುವ ಸಮಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ಮನರಂಜನೆಯಾಗಿಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದಯೆ, ಕಾಳಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕಲಿಸುವ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Attention game, whenever we want to grab your attention,
One of our facilitators using word called Bombadi Bum Bum. You guys would replay with Bum Bum. That means they are starting a new section for you guys. No means they are bringing a new animal. Can you try once? Bombadi Bum Bum. Louder. Bombadi Bum Bum. Sounds good. So here we have Savannah monitor lizard. Savannah is part of Africa. Here we have monitor lizard. So exactly, there are all same family, but Komodo dragon is large. Large. Also, their venom is non-venomous. Why they called monitor lizard? Can you guys see the tail? In the lizard family, they are very strong in their tail. Also, they will use their tail and hind leg. They will stand. They will monitor their place, either for prey, no means for predator. Okay, can you guys see the tongue? So it's called a split tongue. So whenever they want to search the prey, they will taste the prey and they will catch the prey. So I'll come closer. Please do not tap or bang. You can take in 2 fingers. If you guys don't want to taste, you can make an X mark. Also, they can live up to 10 to 15 years. They are completely carnivorous. What do you say? Sir, what do you mean carnivorous? Exactly. Can you guys give a clap for him? Super. I'll come closer. You can all gentle touch on the belly part. You can give a gentle touch on the belly part. You can give in 2 fingers. Please touch in 2 fingers. Exactly. Done? Come on. From head, whichever animal, actually approach from side. Sorry to interrupt you guys with small animals. I thought just I want to introduce the animal. Now we have hooded rat. We'll explain. Thank you. One question. He's around 5.5 years old. They can live up to 10 to 15 years. Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Guys, Bombadi Bum Bum. We have another animal over here. It's called as a hooded rat. Because you can see the pattern on their body. So they have a white back and a brown head. It's like they're wearing a hoodie. That's why hooded rat. And these guys are Japanese. Okay? And you can see the tail. So rat and mouse has less fur on the tail, but the gerbil had the fur because it lives in the cold desert. It's an adaptation that they have. These guys are also social animals, omnivorous in diet, and they are one of the most intelligent species of rodents. Intelligent as in the sense you can train them, and these guys will follow your commands just like a dog would do. They're that good. Okay? So just like we did for the gerbil, you can hold out your hand like this. We'll place it onto your hand.
Smile. Look here.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೋ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ
ಬಿಡಲಿ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Guys, Bombadi Bum Bum. This is the next rodent that we have. It's called as a guinea pig. And these guys, they are South Americans as well. They are completely herbivorous in diet. They like to eat grass, leaves, fruits and all. And they have some adaptation. These guys can sleep with their eyes open. And they very rarely blink as well. Okay? And you can see they have a missing part on their body. Tail. So they are a tailless rodent. Okay? So now we'll place the animal onto your lap, not on your hands. You can touch and feel how these guys are. But avoid touching them on the head. On the left only. On the left. No sir, no the left. Yes. Abba
ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ.
ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
No, back to front. Back to front, yeah.
ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊ, ನೀನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೋ.
ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ಹಂಗೆ
I will give you.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಂದು ನಿಂಗೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು
Bumbity Bum Bum. Do you know which animal it is? Iguana. Yes, iguana, and they generally called as green iguana. When they born, they were green in color. Later, male will turn into orange color in the mating season. And observe this tail is made up of very strong muscles. If they get attacked, they can just whip to the predators, and their tail is the major defense mechanism for them. Can you take a guess what they can eat? Insects. Any other guesses? Yeah. Small kids. Okay. They are completely herbivorous animals. They mainly feed on some leaves, fruits, and vegetables. Okay. And they're arboreal, means they live on trees. You can observe the spikes on the back. It is called as a pseudo spikes. Looks sharp but not really sharp. Just to scare the above predators, it develops like this. You cannot touch him only on the belly part. And his name is weight around 6 kgs. Weight. Yeah. And his age is 14 to 15. His name is Ivan. You can say hi to Ivan. Yeah, you can all touch it only on the belly part. You can all come outside. Yeah? No, it's not there. Belly part you can touch. Yes, to sneeze sometimes. Yeah, you can touch it.
You can touch belly part. Get 2 fingers. Belly, 2 fingers, that's all.
Yeah, once you're done touching, please come that side. We're going to meet horses now. No. Any animal in this prani, don't ever approach the head or tail part, only the sides of the stomach. Yeah, green iguana. This is male. That is, we don't know that is male or a female. In the mating season, they will turn into orange color. Because they don't have any external reproductive organ. Okay, you can meet one more animal there. After that, you're going to meet some horses. Not head and tail.
Only belly part. Above.
ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಗಾಢವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Say hi, Coco. Eating a little blanket today. Tonight is come in. This playing. Come on, guys. Come that way, please. Come, everyone. Come, guys. Come. You can take pictures. Anyone else has played Pac? Ma'am is making a video there. Okay, so these guys are called Pac-Man Frog. They're named after the game Pac-Man. Anyone who's played Pac-Man? Apart from one game? You played? Yes. Go home and download Pac-Man. It's a really nice game. So it's called Pac-Man Frog because his face, right, is covered with 70% of his mouth covers his face. Okay, so that's how wide it is. A very nice smile he has. And these guys can sit at one spot for 7 to 8 months. Okay, at the same spot they'll sit for 7 to 8 months. What will it eat? It doesn't even turn. Okay, so these guys are called ambush predators. Lions, tigers, jaguars, they're all hunters. They chase their prey and hunt. These guys wait for their prey. So imagine this one ant thinking, oh, what a nice day, nice sunny day, let's go on a walk, and that's a way eaten by this.
Take out their stupid. So these guys are both omnivores. These guys are omnivores, so they eat both meat, insect, and this thing, leafy vegetables. These guys, one more thing. Please no screaming, guys. So this process is called culturing. We breed our roaches to feed our bearded dragons. Come here, look at that. So yeah, see, look at her behavior. She's very scared of it. She finds it gross, right? You find it gross, right? Like dirty. So if you find in your kitchen, you find cockroaches sitting on your plates and utensils, what would you do?
Cream.
Huh?
Cream.
Kill the thing. Yeah, kill it. What would you do to the plate?
Roach.
Wash it. You'll wash it, right? Just like that, if I go touch a cockroach, it's going to run away. It's going to find a corner and it's going to curse me, saying, "Yeah, this dirty human touched me," and it's going to clean itself. It finds us dirty. Now come, let's learn about metamorphosis, the life cycle of a caterpillar or a butterfly. Here what we have are, this is called a darkling beetle.
First is this.
This is a darkling beetle. Okay. So metamorphosis happens in 4 stages, guys. The first stage is egg stage. In this thing there are at least 300 microscopic eggs. If I do this, I literally have 15 eggs in my hand. Will you believe me? Saying I have 15 eggs in my hand.
Such a minute.
Yeah, it's super small. You can't see it with the naked eye.
Like come here.
Yeah, so the first stage is of metamorphosis is egg. Next we have larva. Yes, right. Larva stage, this is called a superworm. Okay, this is what we feed our fish. Very high in protein. Okay. Then finally, like a cocoon, it builds. And this is called pupa. It's not dead, it's very much alive. You can see
Show it on your palm.
it's very much shaking.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
And then finally we have adult stage. Okay, so what's the first stage? Egg stage. What's the second stage?
Larva.
Larva. What's the third stage? Pupa. Pupil or pupa. And then last stage is adulthood. Now we're going to play a game, okay? Everyone split in half. Make 2 teams.
Oh my god.
Which animal's egg is this? Ostrich. Very close guess. But not an ostrich. Emo. Emo. He has 1 point over here. Congratulations. The captain. Okay, which egg is this? Peacock, duck. Which one correctly? Who said duck? That's a duck. Okay, 1-1. It's a duck egg. You just mapped it. Okay, which one is this? Obviously it's a bird. And 2-1. Come on guys, pick up the pace. This is a hen's egg. This one has 2 points. Okay, 2-1. Quail.
Snake.
This is a quail egg. I said quail. But she said quail. Okay, now this one has 5 points. Which one is this? It's a reptile. Not a snake. Iguana. Who said iguana? Yeah, high five. You win. It's called a Motoro stingray. Okay, and these guys grow up to 3 to 5 feet in diameter. Where's its mouth? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, so these guys are called bottom feeders because their mouths are here. They stick to the floor, the ocean floor. Okay, they eat. And their eyes are on top. 2 eyes they have. And can you notice their tails?
Yes.
What do you see on their tails? Yeah, thorn-like things you can see, you know. Stingers, so these are the stingers. That's why they're poisonous. The tail is its weapon. Rainbow fish. Give me a first. These are our rainbow fish. Like to live in fresh water, in rivers, lakes, streams and stuff. They don't like salt water. This is a Mexican axolotl. Okay, you guys know what salamander is, the land animal. So these guys are very closely related to salamanders. So what happened during the time of evolution, we were all axolotls. Okay, all of us were axolotls. That's what an albino is. What's an albino?
Long neck.
Huh?
Long neck.
Long neck, no man. So albino basically means albinism is a condition where we do not have melanin. Melanin is a pigment that gives us color, that gives animals color. So there are albino people, there are albino tigers, albino ants, anything which is colorful has melanin in it. So this is a soft shelled. This shell is soft. Unlike the terrapin shell, this one is soft. This is a soft shell albino turtle from China.
Like a pig.
That's a golden turtle. He's also from China. This is, you see that small one? His belly, his stomach is yellow shade. So it's called a yellow shaded, yellow bellied terrapin. This one is, if you notice, it has like diamond shapes.
Whenever we see.
No, wait. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Is there? So can you guys notice this part here? There's like a coloring here. Can you see? So this is called a golden thread. Golden thread terrapin. And this guy is a diamond back terrapin.
ಅದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು.
Hunting trapping style is just mimicking the tail as a fruit. It's completely non-venomous snake, not venomous snake. Yeah, you rats So the snake that you see here, my friend is holding, it is called as a python. This one is python, smallest species of python found in African savanna grassland, and they can only grow 3 to 4 feet longer. That's it. Around 20-25 years. Like you can live 30 years, you can live 20 years, 15-20 years. Now, how to interact with the snakes? Snakes don't like to be touched in the top body like this. When you go on the top, the snake would think somebody is attacking. That's going to be uncomfortable feeling. So where to touch? Keep your hand like this, both hands, and touch the bottom body like this. Right? He will come like this. You just need to be in a place. He will only come.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಂಗೆ
So here we have savanna monitor lizard, savanna part of Africa. So in lizard family, monitor lizard will be very hard tail. So why they call monitor? Whenever they want to monitor their place, they'll have support their hind leg and tail support. Thus they will stand and monitor their places, whether predator or they are searching a prey. Can you guys see the tongue? So it's called as split tongue or forked tongue. That will help to search the prey. They will taste. Also they can taste the prey in their tongue. Also they can live up to 10 to 15 years. Kids, what do you mean carnivorous? Perfect. So they can be able to eat small rodents, birds. So I'll come closer. Please do not pat, tap or bang. You can all give a gentle touch on the 2 finger on the belly part.
ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇವು ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವು
ಪಾಪ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋ ಗದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಕನ್ನಿಕ ಅವರು ಹೆದರಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಮ್ಮು ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಮ್ಮು ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯಿತು, ಆದರೂ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸರಣಿಯಾರು ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕೆಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದರೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು. ಇವರೇ ಸೋತು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿರು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹೋಗಲು ಭಯ ಪಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು.
ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಈ ಸ್ಥಳ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೊಂದಿಗಿನ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಸಾಧಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ವಿವಿಧ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗಿನ ಅನ್ಯೋನ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ನೀಡಬಹುದು. ಕುಟುಂಬದೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡುವ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಸ್ಥಳ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
You can interact with the birds. So birds will be coming and standing on your shoulder or head, hand. So please don't worry, don't panic. All of them are very friendly. But make sure that you are not going to touch any of the birds. Birds are not comfortable with touching. So if you are trying to touch, they may cut you. So parents, please tell your kids to don't touch the birds. And while going inside, you can look down and walk because birds might be on the ground. And also, you can sit on the slab there and we'll be giving you some seeds. So you can give them, it's like a treat for them. So avoid loud noises and sudden movements inside. So one by one, you can come inside. Look down and walk. All of you, you can start.
ಏನು ಕಾಯ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಒಂದೈತೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆ ನಡೆಸಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯವು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಅನೇಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕುದುರೆಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುದ್ದಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಕುರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಕೆಯ ನಡುವಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಪರಿಚಯ ನೀಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ.
ಬಿಡಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಏನೋ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ನೀನು ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಬಾ, ಇಲ್ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಬಾ.
In sand and all they can do more, but these guys are good diggers. एक ले लो इसके साथ। तो भागे उसको खाने में भूख लगा हुआ। These are all like leafy, you know. Only leaves or grasses also they eat. Leaf, grasses, fruits, vegetables, cactus.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಗಿಣಿ ಒಳಗೆ.
ಕೈಗೆ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅವರು?
ಇಲಿನೇ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಥರ ಇಲಿ ಇವು.
ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. Which one should I choose?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ದಿ ಪೆಟ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಸಹ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಊಟ ಸಹ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತೆ.
So you're going to meet unique reptiles here. You can touch snakes, you can touch lizard and tortoise. All these animals are belongs to reptile family. So how do you recognize them? Reptile body got covered by scales. They all have scales instead of hair and feathers.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ.
ಆಗದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ.